Hi guys, welcome to bestsublimation.tv. I'm Alex. Today I want to introduce to you guys some sublimation pet products. First, let's see some sublimation pet clothes. And we have three styles: the hoodie sweatshirt, the top tanks, and the t-shirts. And for the top tanks, we have 5 colors: light blue, pink, white, gray, and yellow. And each color has 4 sizes. And for the hoodie sweatshirt and the t-shirt, we only have white color but with more size options. The hoodies are available in 7 sizes, while the t-shirts are available in 5 sizes. With so many sizes, our pet clothes are suitable for puppies, adult dogs, small dogs, medium-sized dogs, big dogs, and cats. And you can measure the back length, the neck girth, and the chest girth of your pet, and then you can choose the right size. And if you want more size information, you can go to our website bestsub.com to search the product, or you can just go to the video description box below. I will put all the size information down there for you guys to check. Now let's see some sublimation pet bowls, and this time we have launched more sizes, 3 sizes now for you guys to choose, and they are made of this very safe and high quality stainless steel, and they won't rust or hold odors. So you guys can use the bowls to hold waters, dry food, and wet food. And also the bowls are made in double woods, which means they are more sturdy and more durable, and they won't deform or break. And each bowl comes with a silicone base. You can stick it on the bottom after sublimation printing, and it can keep the bowl in place when your dog or cat is eating. And with 3 sizes, you can choose according to the food amount your pet can eat. And these 2 ones, the largest ones, are 64 ounce, and they are usually for the big dogs. And these 2 ones here are 42 ounce, and they are more suitable for the medium-sized dogs. And this smallest one here, you can also choose the silver one, but right now I only have the white one here. It's 32 ounce, and it's perfect for the small puppies, small dogs, and cats. Next, I'm going to show you guys how to print a pet clothes using a sublimation heat press machine, and how to print a pet bowl using the sublimation oven. So please keep watching. So do you guys like the printer result on the pet bowl and the sweatshirt? If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. And I have prepared more sublimation pet products here for you guys. This is a dog leash, and here are some dog collars, and here is another one, and this is a dog tag, and here is a dog bandana. You can find all these pet products on our website bestsub.com, and if you want to place your orders, you can send email to best@bestsub.net. And I'm Alex. Hope to see you again in my next video.